Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Fikro. You are watching Islamic World Today. Regime attacks killed 12 in Syria's de-escalation zone. Over a million Syrians have moved near Turkish border following intense attacks. UN dispatches humanitarian aid to war-weary Syria. 40 truckloads of aid to be distributed in northwestern Idlib province, which faces frequent attacks despite ceasefire. Russian and Syrian regimes start military drill in East Mediterranean. Syrian regime minesweepers, Russian warship and fighter jets take part in military exercise. UAE lobbying US Congress to impose sanctions on Turkey. Documents obtained under Foreign Agents Registration Act suggest UAE-linked firm pushing Congress to impose penalties. Saudi king meets Greek foreign minister in Riyadh. King Salman and dentists discussed bilateral cooperation. Kuwait unveils new government. Kuwait has history of government's resignations or feuds with parliament. US sanctions won't last. Iran's Rouhani. Rouhani will visit Malaysia and Japan. Lebanon calm returns to Beirut after clashes. Protesters killed and soccers injured in clashes in Beirut. Libya slams Egypt's diplomatic adolescences. Tension has mounted recently between Libya's UN-recognized government and Egypt. Haftar, Rogue general aiming military dictatorship. Haftar has switched loyalties in the course of his military career from Gaddafi's men to leaders of self-styled army. Landmine kills 10 civilians in eastern Afghanistan. Though no claim of responsibility, Taliban normally blamed for planting deadly IEDs on highways. Pakistan ex-President Musharraf sentenced to death. Former military ruler General Pervez Musharraf get death sentence in high treason case. You can find latest and lot more on fikrokhbar.com/English.